Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Rakhe ka Women's Day da ka health checkup ringkat bat ka Woodland Hospital Shillong.
Ka Kenhon Menteri Jong ka Sarkar Jilla menta ka sengi ka Sautrik Unai Leber Arjar Arpuway. Kalawan ra ia ka amendment ne ka jingpen bait thamai ha ka Institute of Charter Financial Analyst of India University Act Arjar San. Kani ka jingwan ra ia ka jingpen bait thamai ka long ban penkenlano ya ka kerteng jong ka University ne ka Institute of Chartered Financial Analyst of India University sha ka ICFA University.
They wanted a name change and change of nomenclature. Basically, the amendment is simply restricted to the changing of the name of the university from the Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India University to ICFA University. So this amendment is being made. This was a second agenda that was taken up and cleared. And of course, this has to be placed in the assembly.